guys, please do subscribe to NCpedia. Like, share and subscribe. Do you want to make outputs like this? Stay tuned. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the audio to animation tool in Adobe Animate. It's a really fun and easy way to turn your voice recordings into animated videos. So let's get started. First, head to this website named Adobe Express and access the audio to animation tool. Next, record your voice and enhance it using the audio editing features. This will ensure that your voice sounds clear and professional in your animated video. You can choose your background from any page or the bundle of backgrounds that are present in the toolbar on the right. You can even change the character and process the video as given below. You can edit, change the aspect ratios, color, and the timing of the video as per your requirements. You can even add solid colors to the background. Try generating the videos. Hope this video helps you generate animated videos. Enjoy animating.